Hello guys, so today as you see here in my table I have three products from Sharkoon. They contacted me and told me if I wanted to do a review of their products since I never tried them before, so for me it's the first time. And what I'm gonna see now is the quality of the products and if they are good, if they are not expensive, alright? It's a budget product, which is awesome. If you want to build your setup, you have, for example, here three products that will work in your setup. This is the mouse. This is the Mousepad, as you know, as you can see here in the image. It's got RGB, all sides as RGB. And the Sharkoon S-Killer SGH3, which is a headphones with microphone, so you can use when you are playing. This is the things that I'm gonna try today, and I'm gonna show you, and let's check it out. Let's see the unboxing. I've already removed the mouse. As you can see, this is the mouse, and it's really nice. It looks like a razor. It looks like a razor. But you know, the design is really awesome, and yes, the mouse has two side buttons, one here in the middle, the scroll, and it's laser. I don't know how many DPIs is this. 6400 DPIs, which is awesome. DPI switch, yes, you can switch here in the and it's USB plug-in. The cable is 1.8 meters long, so it's more or less 5 feet, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so now let's check the Mousepad, right? It won't go away. Let's speak about Mousepad. It's ultra thin, as you can see, and flexible Mousepad. I thought it would be solid, but no, it's flexible, a lot of really light. And here you can change the RGB colors. That's what we're gonna test it out. And obviously you've got a USB connection to the PC. So next, headsets. Let's open it. Feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. Guys, the box is top. I'm just telling you that the box only the box has quality. I am just a bad girl, but if you now I'm really surprised about the quality of this product, okay? As you see, the ear cups look like leather. I almost doubt that this is not leather. It smells like leather, okay? It's leather. I think it's leather. Okay, there's a cushion here in the part of the head. It's high density of foam and extremely comfortable. If you put this on your head, whoa, awesome. This is super light and awesome. The quality, the comfort in your ears, it's awesome. Okay, let's speak about the microphone. The microphone is detached, which you can plug if you want or unplug if you don't want it, like this. Okay, as you can see, you plug it like this and you're on. You've got the microphone now ready to roll, ready to rock. And now connections. Let me speak about, you've got here a USB connection. As you can see, you've got the micro. You put the micro and headphones here, you increase the volume and it will convert your headphones to USB. Or if you want, you can connect to this here, which has volume up, volume down, turn off and on. It's got the microphone, headphones, and you connect your jack 3.5 in here and it's on. Okay, so what we're gonna try now is the quality of the products using them on a laptop, a gaming laptop. So I'm gonna get the laptop and let's try out. So now we already tested the Mousepad, the mouse, the headphones, and I might say it's really awesome. The sound that you are hearing is from the microphone. So just tell me, what do you think about this micro? Because everything in this pack, the three items, the three products, I have really great quality. As you've seen, we've just saw three budget products that are really awesome. And if you want, for example, buy this for your setup, if you are thinking in using, I mean, this Mousepad is really awesome. The RGB, they give you a really nice touch to the setup. The mouse is a budget mouse, but it's really, I mean, I can't say bad things of this when you try it. Okay, you try it, you like it. What can I say bad of this? They have a budget price, they have quality, they have RGB. I mean, you've got everything here, okay? So guys, hope you liked the video. If you want to see any of these products, we have the link on the description. Hope you like it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, bye bye and see you soon!